काही माणसं अगदी अंतापर्यंत जीवनाचा अर्थ शोधण्याची धडपड करत राहतात. त्यांना तो अर्थ योगायोगाने सापडला तर सापडतो. पण ग्रेट माणसं जीवनाला अर्थ देतात, जीवन संपन्न करतात. माननीय एकनाथ ठाकूर म्हणजे जीवनात अर्थ भरणारी प्रतिभावंतांची जातकुळी.
He lost his mother when he was just 1. In only the year to follow, his father passed away, leaving him orphaned at the tender age of 2. Hailing from a tiny village of 200 people, Mahapan in Maharashtra's Sindhudurg district, this successive stroke of fate left him with helpless options of survival, leave alone sustenance. But thanks to the kid's tenacity and temperament, he soon found his livelihood in Kudal's local fish market, where he wrapped up paper bags as a shop boy and ran errands for 9 long years, from 7 years to 16 years of age. On one end, he sweated it out at the shop. On the other, he fervently went on to complete his education right from the first standard till university graduation by earning and learning. After his matriculation from Kudal and graduation from Pune's SP College, he became an English history scholar of Pune University and eventually opted for an MA degree. Just about this time, he appeared for the All India Class 1 Officer Probationary Officer Examination of the State Bank of India and achieved distinction among thousands of graduates and postgraduates. While at SBI, he worked in several important capacities, and soon his leadership qualities made him the All India President of the State Bank Officers Federation. Post-nationalization, along with a few colleagues, he took initiative in forming the All India Confederation of All Bank Officers in India and rose to become its All India President. In 1973, he was elected the National Secretary General of All India Coordination Committee of Officers Organizations. In 2011, for the first time in 93-year-old history of Saraswat Bank, his panel of 16 members was elected unopposed by the bank's 1,68,000 shareholders, while he was unanimously re-elected as chairman. He was the General Secretary of Bharat Jodo Abhiyan, India, which organized the 13,000-kilometer Bharat Jodo March from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Arunachal Pradesh to Oka, led by late Baba Amte. Having won numerous awards including the Samaj Ratna Award, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Award and Cancer Vijeta Award, his fight with cancer is a story of exceptional courage and conviction comprising several surgeries and radiation. He is one of the longest survivors of cancer since the past 42 years from 1970. Sri Thakur was a member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha from 2002 to 2008. Whilst he was a member of Rajya Sabha, he interacted with several national and international personalities like Sri Girija Prasad Koirala, former Prime Minister of Nepal, Mrs. Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Archbishop Desmond Tutu, winner of Nobel Peace Prize, South Africa, late Mrs. Benazir Bhutto, former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Prince Sihanouk of Cambodia, Vice Premier of China. Mr. Eknath Thakur is truly a profile in courage. He has not allowed his illness to come in the way of working with zeal and energy. I think he is truly an example which we all ought to emulate. This compliment of the Honorable Prime Minister says it all. Maxwell takes immense pride and pleasure in conferring the first Maxwell Lifetime Achievement Award 2012 to the truly visionary doyen of banking industry, living legend, Sri Eknath Thakur.
Friends, I thank the Maxwell Foundation and all the trustees and juries and Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra for conferring this Lifetime Achievement Award on me. आता थोडं मराठीत बोलतो, ती माझी मातृभाषा आहे. अंधाराचा महासागर कितीही अथांग असला तरी त्याच्यात प्रकाशाची बेटं असतातच. नितीन पोद्दार हे त्याच्यातलं एक प्रकाशाचं बेट आहे. अंधाराचा महासागर कितीही अथांग असला तरी त्याच्यात प्रकाशाची बेटं असतातच. हा सागरही सनातन आणि बेटही सनातनच. म्हणून मीच माझं ठरवायचं. हा सागरही सनातन आणि ही बेटही सनातनच. म्हणून मीच माझं ठरवायचं. ही अंधाराच्या लाटावर वाहत जाणारा पराभूत नावाडी मी व्हायचं का प्रकाशाच्या बेटावर सूर्यकिरणाची लागवड करणारा शेतकरी. मित्रांनो, तुम्हा आम्हाला जर आपल्या स्वप्नातला संपूर्ण समृद्ध संपन्न आणि सुंदर महाराष्ट्र घडवायचा असेल तर आपल्याला कविकुलगुरू कुसुमाग्रज आणि ज्ञानपीठ विजेते कुसुमाग्रज वि. शिरवाडकर यांनी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला प्रकाशांच्या बेटावर सूर्यकिरणाची लागवड करणाऱ्या शेतकऱ्याची मानसिकता घेऊन, होकाराची मानसिकता घेऊन पुढे जावं लागेल. मग अनाथावस्था, मग कॅन्सर, मग क्रायसिस याची भीती वाटणार नाही.